the right way. This is something for you to put on in the near future.
All right. Near future.
In case you spill some of the beer on you.
It's a raincoat.
As long as it's not cold.
Overly wrapped.
May I open it with your
Of course. Of course you may, I didn't wrap it.
Thank you guys.
Actually, we really love our flag here in Denmark. So, you know, we use it for every birthday occasion and everything.
Oh, lovely. This is great.
I hope it's your size. We couldn't get an extra small as in India.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you.
And since you have been to the city hall today, I think that you should bring something home to share with your families, and perhaps you need Google Translate for this one, but I know that you know Google Translate from some of the mails you sent me.
Thanks again. Thank you.
Det kunne jeg ikke. Det skal jeg høre meget for, hvad der er participation.
No, tak.
So
this one is for your table, or all the table, I mean, a few tables in the Hero or in Denmark? Is it Rush?
This is the official become the mayor of your next town Hillerød game. And on the back side there's a small stamp that you can put on your medal, and then you can show everyone that you might be the mayor in Hillerød someday. If you win that game, and I would look forward to playing this game.
I really appreciate I'll give it to my son to figure it out and then let me know. Thank you guys, thank you.
And of course you can't leave Hillerød without being the first to receive the all-new flag. You're actually the first one getting this. And of course I hope that you will raise the flag both in Norway and Sweden, and something what a great trip we had to Denmark.
Sure I will.
And we will look forward to seeing both the Sweden and Norwegians in Foss.
Alright.
And have giving them
Back some
a
of the
drink.
stuff.
I don't know, we don't have that many Swedish or Norwegian things right now, I believe.
Thank you.
But we will.
Thank you, Chad.
Yes, but we will.
Thank you.
Don't let them steal it.
Sorry.
Thank you. But beyond a point in time, I hold his hand and people are going to consider something else.
Yes. I believe that the necklace you're wearing is a bit undecorated.
Oh.
And when you go into Norway and Sweden, I believe it's probably the most branded, what do you call it, pin in RT30 should be the Hillerød pin. So if you let me decorate it a bit with the pin from the last AGM, who was held in Copenhagen just recently. Some of the boys in this club might remember it, some of them might not. And of course the classical pin from RT30's annual
21st book.
yeah. See, now it looks much better.
Thank you again, Chad. Thank you all.